Scientific notation. Convert the following numbers from scientific to standard notation. Number 1, 8.2 times 10 to the 4th. So the exponent tells us how many decimal places to move. So if we start at here after the 8, we're going to go to the right 4 because this is a whole number. So we're going to increase. So we're going to go 8, and then we're going to move the decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8.2 times 10 to the 4th is 82,000. Number 2, convert the following numbers from scientific to standard notation. 7.3 times 10 to the negative 6. Our exponent is a negative number, so we're going to move the decimal going that way to the left 6 spots. So we're going to move it, we have 7.3, we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to move it 6 spots, so we have 5 zeros in front of us. Convert the following numbers from scientific to standard notation. 3.52 times 10 to the 7th. So again, our exponent tells us to move positive or to the right 7. So we're going to start and we're going to go from 3 and then we're going to add 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3.52 times 10 to the 7th is 35,200,000. Number 4, convert the following from standard form to scientific notation. So we write in scientific notation, we have a number that starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 times 10 to the something. So we need a number that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So here we're going to have a 1.92. 1.92. And here's our decimal now. So to get from here to here, we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We move the decimal place 6. And since it's a very large number, we move it from 1.92 to there. It's a positive exponent. Convert the following from standard form to scientific notation. So here we go again. We're going to have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 times 10 to the something. So we're going to take this here to make it a 4. So we're going to have a 4.32. So to go from here to here, we moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We went to the left, we went negative. It's a very small number, so it's negative 10 to the negative 5. 4.32 times 10 to the negative 5. Number 6, convert the following from standard form to scientific notation. Again, we're going to have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 times 10 to the something. So we're going to make this 2.3, and we're going to go from here to here's how many spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. Oops. So I'm going to start with 2.3342 times 10 to the 10th. Compare the following numbers. 0.000324 times 10 to the 7th compares how to 32,410. So let's convert this from scientific notation to standard notation. So I need a number. I don't need to convert it. I just need to move the decimal 7 spots. And since it's a positive, we're going to make this number bigger. We're going to go to the right. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be 3, 2, 4, and a 0. So 3,240 is less than 32,410. Compare the following numbers. 8,901 times 10 to the negative 5 compared to 0.089. So I need to move the decimal place. It's negative, so I'm going to the left. So I'm going to start here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0.08901 compared to 0.089. So let's think about that. 0.089, and then this is what? 0, 0. So this one is a little bit bigger. So this is greater than that one. Place the following numbers in order from greatest to least. Go ahead and try that on your own. So here we have 3.1 times 10 to the, and the exponents are varying. So if we want to go from greatest to least, let's find the biggest exponent. We have a negative 3, a negative 5. We have nothing here, but it's really a 1. We know it's a 1, we just don't write it. And a negative 1. So which one has the biggest exponent? Is this one. So let's convert that. 3.1 times 10 to the 1. We move it one decimal place, so that's going to be 31. All right, and that's going to go with 3.1 times 10. Okay. And then the next one is from greatest to least. So the biggest number next would be negative 1. So we would move the decimal 1 that way. So that would be 0.31. And that's the conversion of 3.1 times 10 to the negative 1. And let's look at the next one. So we got that guy's out, that guy's out. So which number is bigger, negative 3 or negative 5? If we remember our number line, we have a 0 here, and we go negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So negative 3 is bigger. So we're going to move this, and it's a negative, so we're going to move the decimal to the left. 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 0.0031, which is the same as 3.1 times 10 to the negative 3. Okay. And then 10 to the 5th. We're going to move that decimal 5 spots to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 0.00031. Or 3.1 times 10 to the negative 5. So the easiest way to do this one, since it was all getting multiplied, we were just comparing the exponents, that was all 3.1 times 10 to the something. All we had to do was look at the exponents and list those greatest to least, and the corresponding numbers would also be greatest to least. Go ahead and try number 10. So we're going to place the following numbers in order from greatest to least. So let's look. We have 82 times 10 to the something. We got 2 of those. And this is 10 to the 1, we remember. Just put that there so I remember. And then we have 821 times 10 to the something. So we have 2 different bases here. So 821 is bigger than 82. So we know these are going to be bigger numbers. And 2 is a bigger exponent. So 821 times 10 squared is going to be bigger. And then we're going to have 821 times 10 to the 1. And then we're going to look at the other ones. We have 82 times 10 squared and 82 times 10 to the 1. So 82 times 10 squared times 82 times just 10, or 10 to the 1.